You're back with another episode, of course, of DP Kids. And, of course, joining us is someone who is this.
Sasenya.
Sasenya is joining us. And, of course, we are ready now to draw something amazing. But, of course, before that, remember, when we go through in life, we learn a lot of things. And when we learn different things, we need to process them and observe clearly. And, of course, DP Kids is giving you the opportunity to do both, to watch and observe by taking your time and learning, by making your learning experience more valuable, especially in the realm of art. That's why we are here with DP Kids. You can scroll down through our YouTube channel and watch all of these videos, because that's the beauty of it. You can learn. The more you learn and the more you become better, the more enriching and creative you get as well. Yeah? They can share it too. Yes. Of course, people have to. Yes. You have to share all of these knowledge that you get as well, and that's the beautiful part about this as well. Now we can bring others too in.
We can.
Yes, we can. Tell them to come, will you? Your friends.
You can draw beautiful pictures when you come here.
Yes, and come because of that. That is why we urge you.
Yes.
Yes, we urge you to come and, of course, comment as well on our videos so you can come. Yeah? Let's draw an ostrich. Yes, everyone knows an ostrich. High five. Brilliant. Let's quickly start drawing it. It's going to, of course, be a beautiful baby ostrich. Now watch me as I draw. And, of course, you'll first draw the eyes. Draw it with me. All right. We're good to go. Let's first draw a circle like this, shall we?
Okay.
Brilliant. And of course, right after that, another circle. These are the two eyes. And we can darken it a bit like that by drawing a tinier circle and darkening around it. There we go. Brilliantly done. All right. Now what we're going to do is, of course, add the rest of the features to the face. There we go. Good job. Brilliantly done. From over here, we're going to bring this together like that. Try it. And now after that, we can bring this line down all the way and bring it there. Just like that. Brilliant. And we're going to do quite the same from the other side as well. A tiny circular line like that. And these two lines we are going to bring together in this manner like that, with a small curve. Yes, brilliant. All right, look at that. Now we're going to add a smile to this tiny ostrich. So 2 marks like that. And bring a line over here, all the way down. Yes, and then from the other side as well, we bring that line up, down. And then over here and connect. Brilliantly done, yeah?
Yes.
Now what we're going to do is, of course, from over here, draw the head like this, a semicircle on top. Okay, well done. Now, good job. Right. Now we can add a few features to make it a little lifelike, because it's a baby ostrich. Alright. Now one of the biggest parts, the most distinguishable parts of the ostrich, the long neck, coming all the way like that. All right, good job. And from the other side too, shall we?
Okay.
And we're going to come down just like that. Right, brilliant. And of course, connect like that. And from over here, we're going to bring 2 lines like that and a few more all around. It'll look a little like a flower around it. And then from over here, we're going to bring that tiny line like that and connect another one all the way there. And curve it up like that. Brilliant. And then, yes, good job. Now from over here we connect. Alright. Brilliantly done. And then from over here we're going to draw a tiny tail. Yeah, shall we?
Okay.
Yes, 1. That's it. 2. Alright. And then 3, 4. You've seen these weird shaped tails at the back of an ostrich. They're very unique to the ostrich. Alright, brilliantly done. Now to the feet, of course, they have tiny claw-like feet at the bottom. Yes, just like that. Now these are very strong feet, of course, because ostriches can run very fast. So it'll look this way and connect all the way from there like this. Alright. And the same from over here all the way there. All right, good, yeah?
Yes.
The legs coming up just like that. Good, all right, brilliantly done. Now we're going to color it now. Shall we show them what we drew?
Okay.
There we go. Good, brilliantly done. A baby ostrich that looks amazing, just like that, isn't it? Of course, we've done this. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, anyone can draw this, and that's the best part about DP Kids. We ensure that you learn, you become better, and that your creative journey knows no end and no bounds, because that's what we aim to nurture. With that, it's a wrap, Sasinya. We are going to wrap this episode with you for now, and we'll see you with another one.
Bye.
Bye.